Today, we're gonna check out my brand new Tigé Z3. Gonna go behind the scenes to see exactly how it's made from start to finish. Oh my gosh. There's always plenty of boats to choose from on the Florida Eagle Marine, but if there's anyone like me that wants to give it their very own flair, you can visit tigaboats.com and use their boat builder app to design any custom Tigé with endless options to choose from. I've never had the opportunity to actually go through Boat Builder and design my very own boat. So to be able to see this thing come to life is, I mean, exciting is an understatement. Yes, this is the coolest thing ever. So starting at the very top of the process, this is something that absolutely surprised me. I had no idea it was done this way. The mold is actually done completely backwards. So they take the mold, they give it a nice wax, and then they actually end up painting the mold. So the paint is actually the very first part of your boat. Then they pour in the fiberglass, and then out comes the fiberglass with the paint, and that's the bottom of your hull. So whenever you order a brand new boat, you get to pick out any color variations that you could possibly want. As you can see here, these holes are between paint processes from one color to the next. And right here, they've got the different style lines taped off. So they'll change it from red to white to blue to black, whatever the case may be. It's completely up to you whenever you customize it on Boat Builder. Before the hull gets moved into assembly, this is the beautification process, where they actually go through and buff out any imperfections in the paint and make this thing absolutely perfect, because when the boat is sitting on the lake, you want it to be the coolest, cleanest thing out there. So one of the more modern and absolutely necessary options these days is the audio system. Right here behind me, these guys are prepping the wet sounds, the speakers, everything, so that it gets the mood right, the vibe right, you get the perfect surf session, wakeboard, whatever it is. This is where the fun really comes together. All right, so here we are, getting super excited for this part of the process. Why? Because we've officially caught up with my actual brand new Tigé boat right here mid-process. All right, so as far as my boat, what we've seen so far, that's what we call the deck. That's the part that you actually stand on. That goes inside the hull. Right behind me, this is the actual hull. This is what holds the engine. This is what holds the ballast, most of the audio, batteries, all of the electrical, and the fuel tank. I want to show you the upholstery process. One of the cool things about Tigé boats is everything is done in-house. One thing about that is it's going to guarantee that they have absolute full control of all of the quality, and you're going to get the absolute best product on the market. So as you saw from the very beginning on Boat Builder, I got to customize this thing completely however I wanted from start to finish. So it's really cool to be able to see everything come together, and this was just a concept that's now becoming immortalized. This thing is going to live forever, and it's something that I put together, and I'm just so excited about it.
What up, dude?
What is up?
Ready to see this thing?
I'm so ready.
Heck
Been
yeah.
waiting.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Dude, it's unbelievable. It went from Boat Builder being digital. This looks like exactly like it did on the computer.
Sure. Short periods of time, man, we make dreams come true.
I have goosebumps. This is unbelievable.
Dude, look at how the truck and the boat are almost a perfect match.
That was something that I was really going for. I wanted it to match. I thought it'd be cool, you know, even though they don't spend a ton of time together, at least, you know, getting from the house to the lake, you know, it looks good. And then drop this thing in the water, and man, this is gonna be a head turner for sure.
Well, we got a couple of cool things we want to show you surprise-wise. I think you're gonna like as you walk into the boat, so come check it out.
I love surprises.
We had to put our boys' special touch in here. You got your AL40 on your
that out
platform. That way everybody knows, man, when you see the gray, black, and red boat, the AL40, That looks awesome.
I love it, man.
Well, climb inside, dude. There's a lot to look at.
All right. Don't have to tell me twice. Kick my shoes off. Man, this is unbelievable. Driver's seat. Adding boat driver to my resume.
What do you think of the Sport Red Cool Touch interior?
The red just makes everything pop so much. I kind of wanted to keep it simple and, you know, just the black and the red, the floor, everything just goes together really well.
All right, dude. Well, I'm glad you like it.
I love it, but the real question is, how does it surf?
Let's go, dude, right now.
Let's hit the lake. My gosh, where to even start? The boat is absolutely mint. The wave is money. You've seen how they're designed. You've seen how they're built. You've seen how they surf. If you're interested in a new Tigé, I got this one from Eagle Marine in Fort Worth, Texas. There's a dealer near you. Go check them out.